wow. Oh my god, I'm still feeling it.
G'day guys, welcome back to the Keep It Reet YouTube channel to another episode. This one's a little bit different. We are gonna do a little bit of a workshop tour slash update, show you what we're working on at the minute. Also really exciting, we have the winner of the R34 Bayside Blue GTR on her way down to pick the car. I'm sure it's gonna be pretty good. She sounded pretty G'd up on the phone yesterday.
Hello, Kylie speaking. Oh my God.
So yeah, as you may or may not be aware, we're going to be hosting the final leg of the LZ World Tour International. We're running the last and fourth round at Calder Park Raceway, teaming up with Drift Games. Our team is basically going to be running majority of it, so Josh's head is spinning off his shoulders, trying to get his head around everything. It's going to be pretty gangster, but yeah, we'll show you what we're doing in preparation, because we're going to be renting out all of the cars to international drivers, and yeah, we're going to get them all looking spicy for the LZ World Tour. Ooh. Suppose we can start there while we wait for old love to come down here and pick up her beautiful GTR. But yeah, the Reet 32 is undergoing a makeover. We're kind of just making it look half decent. Some guest driver's just gonna crash it into another wall like Randy did. So yeah, she's just been slapped together. What do we got going on? I think we might have a video coming out on this. I'm actually painting it tomorrow in a little bit of a different color. It should look pretty cool. So looking forward to that. We've got a carbon fiber bonnet that I've primed. We got some shat wide body fenders. They're absolutely terrible. They're like less wide than standard front fenders, and I'm not a fan whatsoever. Over here, I'm just actually cutting it and trying to like pull it out a bit so we can actually fit our crispy Kansais. Ooh. Kansai have sent down some of their new wheels, so this car is going to be rocking this wheel and this wheel only. They've sent down a bunch of these, so that's pretty cool. Shout out Kansai. We're running their wheels on the Reet 33 and the wagon as well. I just realized I don't think we actually showed you the Kansai wheels we're running on the 33. We've actually had a fresh delivery, the 32 wheels and some more for the 33. Get your eyeballs around that. Ooh, premium. They're bloody beautiful. You can see them on the 33 over here. Got the black ones up the front and the chrome ones on the rear. Let us know what you prefer. Jason likes the black all round. I don't mind the chrome all round. I do like me a bit of bling. Speaking of the 33, we've got some premium billet Ross rocker covers and trigger kit on this thing now. She's absolutely singing. We're in another factory too. This is one of the other factories we have next door to the main workshop. We've got a couple hoist stackers, the members only S14. If you want to go on the draw to win this thing, become a member. It's only 20 bucks a month. You go on the draw to win all the giveaways, including the spicy members only. So yeah, that's our August members only giveaway. If you want to go on the chance, I'll win it. That's it for down here. Back to the other Jassy. Yeah, what else we got going on? Not much. We got bog. That entire driver's door is just bog. Some more terrible over fenders that sit the same width as the pumped out original guards. So that's going to be a bunch of fun. They're going to get destroyed first drive. We have a 32 GTR wing on it. We got a full BN Sports body kit minus the rear bar. We got some rear pods. All right, anyway, you'll probably see that. I'm going to paint it tomorrow, see what happens. Of course, we got the quad turbo. I'm filming another video with that at the minute. Something real spicy, and I think you're really going to enjoy it. So subscribe.
Ooh, what a beast. If you'd like to wear this thing on your hoodie 24/7, we just made a sick design for you guys. Come down to keepitreit.com and get yourself one. Boom.
Over here, Corey's getting the 34. So her time to go under the knife has arisen, don't know. Anyway, she's under the knife, so it's got some slightly better over fenders. They're JSI Aero, but they're still shit. Corey, can we have a look? Where's the ass gone?
It's out the front over there somewhere.
So Corey chopped the whole ass off it. He's copying me, of course.
Ooh, that wiggle.
Wiggle.
So she's
So
going.
Jason can hit walls.
She's going race car. So you can look in there. He's done the main bar off the rails, and he's going to be building off of that. Bash bars and supports, and potentially just running a rear chop. Potentially just having the top section of the bar and chopping it there. She's going to be full race car. We got some fresh doors for it. Obviously don't need the back doors because they're covered. Got some more absolutely terrible front fenders once again, and a GTR front bar. That's Kane. I'm a fan of that. That's by JSI Aero? Yeah. That's all right. JSI Aero, you redeemed yourself there. PSI 30 is fully under the knife. This thing was very close to getting chopped up and being turned into a complete race car. Seems like they've backpedaled slightly. At the moment, its diff is actually in the wagon because the wagon's diff is shot. But once the wagon goes under the knife, we'll steal the diff back to put in this temporarily for LZ World Tour so we can do HSP runs with all our international guests. So Corey is doing a turbo 400, big turbo, big exhaust, full Ross trigger kit, all the bells and whistles. This thing is going to be absolutely screaming some. But yeah, there's a video coming out on that as well. Trent from Checker Tuning is giving us some big brakes, some big Willwood front calipers. This thing is going to be screaming. Before he had the boost turned up, before it made 600 horsepower, it ran a 10.2. He went back to the track to try crack that 9. He was going to get it and then destroyed the gearbox, so. Stanky. Snowball effect has occurred. That's that. We got Tyler to him. Goal, as usual.
Oh, he's not eating.
I know.
What
I
happened?
need more donations. Where's me $2 donations? They really slowed down.
It's just all it takes is $1 to save a child.
Famished, every cent gone towards the VS Commodore Turbo.
I did it! It's a dream come true.
Keep on watching, because I'll be tuning my car soon, and maybe you'll get to see it. Who knows? Or maybe you won't, because I'll probably be doing it after hours. But if you're lucky, you'll get to see it.
The Barra Wags has landed in Melbourne. We're trying to get the go-ahead to pick it up this week, and we're doing some prep on that. We might be changing a couple of things. It's going to be competing in World Time Attack with some gangster drivers. The dates are on the screen. It's coming up in about a couple weeks' time. There's going to be Ken Gucci. It's definitely not Gucci. Ken Gucci. Mad Mike, along with a couple more Kiwis like Taylor James. Took out second place in the D1NZ Championship last year. Gaz Wider, OG NZ drifter with a gangster S15. I'll put a picture on the screen here. That thing is awesome. I saw it at the final round of D1NZ this year. That thing's sick. Dago? Is Dago coming? Maybe Dago. There's a bunch of really cool drivers. I'm probably missing some, but that's going to be a huge event. Ryan Turk is bringing his Formula Supra, but I don't think he's doing the drifting, even though he's a professional drifter, but he's going for the time attack. So explain that to me.
Really, y'all don't know this, y'all in danger, I'm a threat.
Yeah, I'm sure I'm missing some stuff, but I think I just saw someone pull into our driveway.
Kylie, how are you?
There you go.
My son RJ.
Nice hoodie, mate.
And
Welcome.
the camera. Oh, I'm so nervous right now.
So here we have Kylie. She's the winner of the R34 GTR.
Hi guys.
How much footage have you watched last night?
I watched it over again last night. I'm like, oh my god, I sound like a dick. But yeah, like because we were on live, I completely forgot that I was watching it at the same time. So yeah, I had a couple of bourbons. Didn't really sleep last night. Really nervous today.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Should we go show you?
Okay. Yeah. All right. Go.
It's down in the South Factory. Let's go have a look.
I still can't believe I won.
Have you owned any Skylines before?
No.
No?
No.
And you got the Pinnacle straight up.
Yes. So the other half crashed the Club Sport the other week, and I'm like, I need another car, and then yeah. I'm so nervous. Right off. Check that out! I'm so nervous! I can't believe it! Wow.
Here she is, in all her glory.
Am I going to be able to reach the pedals?
Yeah, see slides.
I can't believe this is my car! Wow! Oh my god! They've already told me I'm not allowed to sell it, they'll disown me. Wow. Oh my god, I'm still feeling. Wow. Oh my goodness. I can't believe it. RJ, Dad. My son's favourite car.
Oh, okay.
We were all watching and we're like, my name come up and we're like, fuck right off. Wow.
I couldn't imagine that feeling.
Oh my god. I can't believe I'm running. She's beautiful. Oh my god. Thank you guys. About that.
Pretty standard engine setup, but it's actually pretty torquey. It drives really nice and has got
So
really
be
good
careful.
coilovers in it. It's not too quick, you won't kill yourself, but it drives good. That's for
Thank you. Thank you.
No worries. Congrats.
Thanks, guys.
Alright, so once again, massive congratulations on your beautiful new car.
Thank you. I can't believe it still.
Yep.
I'm just.
Alright, we're going to end it here, guys. Thanks for watching, and don't forget, you can sign up, become a member if you want to go in the draw to win all of these awesome cars. And yeah, that's it, and we'll see you next time.
Keep it Reet.